facing the police every single day.
Hey, I gotta tell you, I'm serious. It's a report. Okay, he's here. I'm gonna report it. All right. Hey, I got it on video. The kids with the motorcycles, the mini bikes are in here. All right, dude. I came over here to get away from the fuckers over there. Now they're in here. I got it on video. I'll send it to you guys later. Or you want? You just missed them by minutes, dude. I cannot believe.
Trying to figure out if they're living in here.
No, over there. Over there. I cannot believe they came all the way over there, over to here. I drove over here to get away from the psychos, and now they're here.
How good of video footage?
You didn't see all the videos I've been sending you guys? Okay, you already know my numbers.
Is this the first time
Oh, dude, this is not the first time. In fact, one of them was in my mailbox, a felony offense on video.
No, I mean for the motorcycle.
What's that?
For the dirt bike. Is this the first time you got video of them?
No, I have tons of video of them doing that. Tons.
I'll see if you have the phone number.
Yeah, send me the link. I'll send it to you, man. This shit's got to stop because Charlotte County's not doing anything because of who I am. I sent it to them multiple times, and they're not doing shit, dude.
Yeah, well, in here, I don't know.
Yeah, in here, this is you.
I don't know about where you live, but this is you.
Yeah, so I'll send it. I just got video of them over here. I got a picture of them over here. Plus, I got all the videos over there. They live over there. They came over here. I came here to get away from them, and they're here. You send me a link. I'll send you the shit. All right. You're not going to believe who that was. Correct. 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 Dude, they're riding down fucking 41, man. You know and I know you can't fucking do that unless you're in BFE, man. Hey, Charlotte County, this is Shark and Cop Watch, and I went walking the next door neighborhood, which is deed restricted, to get away from these fucking psychos that I've been telling you about that are in our neighborhood. And holy shit, there they are in the deed restricted neighborhood. My camera's screwed up because I was on the phone with a friend of mine. But here's a picture, and I got some video on the body camera once I finally got my body camera out, because I didn't think they would illegally drive down 41 just to get to the deed restricted area. So this is completely nuts and out of control. And then what do you know? The Punta Gorda cops show up, and they are looking for them because you cannot be in here. I missed the one guy on the kid on the dirt bike. But they know who he is, and I know who he is, and but here you go. Here is a picture I caught of them, and then of course I got the guy on the yellow quad on video, and of course I got video of them all over my neighborhood again today.